Hello and welcome to Back to Basics Homestead. My name is Annie and today I'm going to do a food challenge. I've never really done this on here. I do it on my Instagram account. Over the summer I did a preserving in August challenge and I thought it was fun. Food brings actually people together, and since the holidays are going to be different probably for years to come, I just find that this is my way of getting people together through food. So the comfort food challenge that I'm doing from Wide Family Farm. So the hashtag, I'm gonna put it here, WFF Food Challenge 21, if you wanna follow along. Basically just says to cook from scratch a meal or something that is comfort food. It was hard to choose because I love baking bread, flatbread, crusty bread, artisan bread, French baguettes, or French bread, any type of bread, and just dip it in like butter or an olive oil and balsamic dipping, or dip it in a spinach dip. So bread was like, I was gonna go down that road, but then I said, oh, maybe chocolate chip cookies, they're chewy, they're soft, they're delicious. And then I'm like, you know what? Comfort food isn't a crock pot for me. Anything in a crock pot that cooks for hours, makes the house smells delicious for hours, is a comfort meal. So I went down that direction. So I went in my pantry, I went in my freezers, and I just checked what I can pull together. If ever I'm missing an ingredient when I have an inspiration for dinner, I just make it work. I don't go to the store anymore unless like we're gonna do like a splurge meal and I'm missing tortillas and I really don't want to make them. So, but basically this is what I do. I just either go without or find a replacement. So today I'm gonna do chicken cacciatore. So we took out 3 breasts from chickens that we raised this year, and diced tomatoes, salt, pepper, herbs, garlic, onions, dehydrated peppers. I could have added the chicken broth, but it was like I only have frozen in big quantities, so I didn't do it. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go with that. I'm gonna serve it with a loaf of bread and probably a bit of rice. I don't know, the rice I'm not sure, it depends. I'm gonna ask the kids and the husband if they want it on rice or just dip their slice of bread in it. So I have a cute puppy next to me that wants to be seen. Who's next to me? He wants to cuddle. He wants to cuddle. This is Tio. We adopted this dog, I think 2 years ago? 3 years ago? In June. He loves cuddling. Can I go baking now? Can I go cooking? Can I? Yeah? No? Yes? No? Okay, I'll go cooking. So let's go to the kitchen and let's make some chicken cacciatore. Can you see I have people spying on me? Our elf on the shelf were here and they were eating the chocolate spread with a spoon, and now they're high on chocolate. Anyways, if you want to follow this challenge, the WFF Comfort Food 21, under this video there's going to be a hashtag in blue. You can click on it and it's going to bring you to other channels that are making the same challenge, food challenge I'm doing, and you can find out other types of comfort food, discover new recipes that you have never tried, and community. Food actually brings people together around the table, so this will bring people together. So let's continue on with my recipe. So after many hours and me forgetting about dinner, it is a bit overcooked. I got distracted with the kids and we did Christmas decorations. It is still tastes delicious, but it's a little bit overcooked. And I will be serving it on a nest of rice. next day. I wasn't able to film anything after that. Chaotic moments with the kids and stuff like that. But positive notes, the house is mostly decorated. There's things a little bit everywhere. The kids are excited and they went to bed exhausted. That's a good thing. So I want to thank you for passing by the homestead today and sharing this recipe, my version of chicken cacciatore. If you think that I could add anything to this recipe, make sure to add it in the comments below, or share with us or with me your version of how you make it in the comments below, and I will make sure to read you and comment. So I thank you again for passing by the homestead and tagging along this food challenge journey, and make sure, if you want more, to click on the hashtag WFF Food Challenge 21. Take care. Bye.